Hello, little buddies. This is Frozendoll reading for you. Today I'm reading the book Cupcake Surprise. It is Dad's birthday. What will Jack and Anna give to Dad? Will they make a card? Will they jot a note? Will they sing a song? Jack and Anna will make cupcakes for Dad. Cupcakes will be a big surprise. Anna has the cookbook. Jack gets eggs, sugar, and milk. Oh no, there is no flour. That is not a good surprise. Jack and Anna go to the store. At the store, they get flour. They get cookies too. Jack puts in flour and sugar. Anna puts in milk, butter, and eggs. Stir it up, Jack. Oh, the cookies fall in. That is a surprise. They mix in the cookies. Oh no, chips fall in. That is a surprise. They mix in the chips. Stir all up, Jack. Buddy wants to help too. Mom puts the cupcakes in to bake. Jack and Anna watch the cupcakes. Buddy watches too. Yum! The cupcakes look good. Happy birthday, Dad. Here are your birthday cupcakes. Surprise! These cupcakes taste great. That was fun. That was Frozendoll reading Cupcake Surprise. See you soon again.